Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight in and learn how to add items to your Monday.com boards. First off, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to add items to. The reason we do this is to ensure we're adding the right items to the right project or task. Now that we've done that, let's click on the New Item button located at the top of your board. This will open a new blank item. Here's why this matters. Every item you add represents a new task or subtask within your project, making it easier for you to organize and prioritize your work. Next up, you'll want to fill in the details of the item. This includes the item's name, assignees, due date, and status. Don't forget to hit Enter to save your item. This helps us because it gives every team member a clear understanding of what needs to be done, who's responsible for it, and when it's due. Now let's discuss labels. You can add labels to your items by clicking on the Label column and selecting or creating a label that best suits your task. The reason we do this is to categorize tasks, making it easier to filter and locate them later on. Finally, let's make sure everything is in order by refreshing your board. All the new items you've added should appear at the top of your board. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com automatically sorts new items by their creation date, ensuring that the most recent tasks are always visible. And that's it. You've successfully added items to your Monday.com board. Remember, the key to successful project management is organization and clarity, and Monday.com is a great tool to help you achieve that. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.